Okay, this will be the elevator here at the Regal Cinema in Portland. What on earth? Oh, and there's 2 for down back there.
What? Yeah. That's very purposely because this door is for only going up and this door is only for going down.
Oh, look at that. This one has a new ThyssenKrupp logo on it.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you.
This looks to be a ThyssenDover.
Yeah.
It's got Dover blue.
Yeah, but...
Or a late Dover.
This is like a super late Dover. One of the last Dovers ever installed right before TD because
Press the call suit.
It's got Dover blue, it's got a phone button.
That is cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One?
Yeah, I didn't see that when I first filmed this.
It might still be a ThyssenDover because I think some of the ThyssenDovers do actually have blue in the shaft.
Yeah.
Maybe the earliest ones do.
Yeah.
Not surprising. We probably had a buttload of blue paint laying around still.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm guessing this is probably an earlier ThyssenDover, probably like 99 or 2000.
This is 99.
99?
Oh, there you go.
That explains it. Well, there you have it. So it's either an early ThyssenDover or a very, very late Dover.
Yeah.
Well,
There it goes.
there it goes. That'll be it.